our STEM series. My name is Molly and I'm with New York State Parks, and we are here to bring you some experiments that you can do at home while you're out of school. Today's experiment will be demonstrating how plants, cabbage specifically, can transport water. So inside plants is something called xylem, and xylem are tubes that run throughout the plant, and it allows the plant to pull water from its roots through into its leaves, and this experiment will demonstrate that. So in order to do this experiment, you need jars or glasses, cold water, food coloring, as many colors as you want, and either green cabbage or celery. So step one is to fill each of your jars or glasses about 1/3 of the way with cold water. Step two is to color each of your jars a different color. So place a couple drops of food coloring in each jar. Stir in your colors. Next, take either your green cabbage or your celery and peel off the leaves. Make sure that you get the stalk on the leaf. So peel off as many pieces as jars that you have. You can do as many jars and as many colors as you want. The last step is to place at least one leaf of cabbage in each jar of water. And you want to make sure that the stalk is inside of the water. And now let your cabbage sit and see how they change colors over the next 2 days. And we're back 2 days later. Let's check out our cabbage. So as you can see, the xylem in the cabbage pulled the water in the jar up through the leaf, and the food coloring in the water dyed each cabbage leaf a different color. Now, next time you water your plants at home, you can wow everyone with your knowledge of how plants are able to get water from its roots all the way up to its leaves. I hope you enjoyed this experiment and learned something new today. Share your pictures in the comments to show off your colorful cabbage.